The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. When the path grows steep and my legs grow weary, he carries me. When the night is long and sleep will not come, he watches over me. When my heart is heavy with burdens I cannot name, he lifts them from my shoulders. When I have wandered far and lost my way, he searches until he finds me. When the wolves circle and danger draws near, he stands between me and every threat. When I am thirsty and the well runs dry, he becomes living water to my soul. When I am hungry and have nothing to eat, he is the bread that satisfies forever. When I stumble and fall upon the stones, his hand reaches down to raise me up. When I am ashamed and cannot lift my eyes, he speaks my name with tender love. When others have abandoned me and left me alone, he remains faithful and will never leave. When my strength fails and I can go no further, his strength becomes mine. When the storm rages and I cannot find shelter, he becomes my refuge and my fortress. When I cry out in the darkness and no one hears, he is already there beside me. When my enemies mock and say there is no hope, he proves them wrong with his presence. When I doubt and wonder if he truly cares, he reminds me, I am his and he is mine. When the valley seems endless and the shadows deepen, he whispers, this too shall pass. When I look back and see how far I've come, I see his footprints beside mine every step of the way. When I look ahead and fear what tomorrow holds, he says, and when my final breath draws near and this life fades away, he will walk with me through that last valley into the light of his eternal presence. For he is not just any shepherd. He is the good shepherd who laid down his life for the sheep. He knows my name. He knows my need. And he will never, ever let me go. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want.